Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most elegant and sought-after pieces in the jewelry world, the Aobei Pearl 18K Gold Paperclip Chain Choker. This is not just any necklace. It's arguably the best dainty chain necklace you can find on the market right now. Let's start with the basics. This necklace is crafted from 18K gold-plated brass, ensuring a stunning shine that's both luxurious and versatile. It features an oval link chain design, which is not only trendy but also incredibly lightweight and hypoallergenic. Perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to effortlessly elevate their everyday look. The design of this choker is where it truly shines. The paperclip style chain is minimalistic yet chic, making it ideal for layering with other necklaces or wearing on its own as a statement piece. The lobster claw clasp allows for easy adjustment, ensuring a comfortable fit for various neck sizes. In terms of quality, Aobei Pearl doesn't disappoint. The craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the seamless links to the secure clasp. It's designed to withstand daily wear without losing its shine or integrity, making it a reliable addition to your jewelry collection. So, why should you consider adding this piece to your collection? Well, besides its stunning design and excellent craftsmanship, the Aobei Pearl 18K Gold Paperclip Chain Choker offers incredible value for its price point. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift, this necklace ticks all the boxes. To sum it up, if you're in the market for a versatile, high-quality necklace that exudes elegance and style, look no further than the Aobei Pearl 18K Gold Paperclip Chain Choker. It's the perfect blend of sophistication and simplicity, guaranteed to elevate any outfit with its timeless charm. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.